The Oris AquisPro watch is rated to a depth of 4,000 meters. No, I didn't misspeak. 4,000 meters. That's a depth of about 2.5 miles, deeper than where the wreck of the Titanic sits. Stay with me as I show you this watch and all its features. You'll be amazed. Plus, I'll show you another watch launched with the AquisPro 4000 at the recent Geneva Watch Days 2023. Both on this episode of Adventures with Time. Let me be clear, this watch is rated to 400 bar, which is the pressure experienced at 4,000 meters underwater. This Oris AquisPro 4000 has the greatest water resistance of any watch Oris has produced. To survive that pressure, this watch has to be a beast. Most obvious is the thickness of 23.4 millimeters. For one thing, that allows them to use a 9 millimeter thick sapphire front crystal. That's just over 1/3 of an inch thick. Even the ceramic bezel insert is secured by 6 tiny screws. And look at the thickness of that caseback, adorned with a scale to convert between meters and feet. No doubt this is a big watch, but it wears nicely on my 7 7/8 inch wrist. They use titanium for the case and for their Oris security folding clasp on the rubber strap, which includes a quick extension system. Even using titanium, the watch on this strap weighs in at 199 grams. In addition to having an extreme water resistance, Oris has included several other enhanced features that one would expect on a pro-level watch. Most visibly noticeable is the Oris patented rotation safety system bezel. Unlike many other divers' bezels, which can be rotated by just turning the bezel, this system requires one to lift the black rubber ring before the ratchet system can be engaged. This protects from accidental movement and provides a non-slip grip. Naturally, Oris has equipped this watch with their in-house caliber 400, providing elevated anti-magnetism withstanding 2,250 Gauss, greater than required by ISO 764. Also a 10-year warranty and 10-year recommended service interval, and of course a 5-day power supply. By the way, they modified the original implementation of the caliber 400 to improve the stability of the minute hand during hacking. You might be asking why Oris engineered a watch to withstand pressures well beyond what a human can survive. That's one of the questions I asked Vijay Geronimo, CEO of Oris the Americas, at their New York City preview of Geneva Watch Days, where I was also able to get hands on this and other just launched watches from Oris. You'll see those later, so stay tuned. Oris has been expanding their watch prowess over the past few years. I already told you in my review of the Big Crown Caliber 473 about their multi-year movement creation program, through which they've launched 4 in-house movements. They've also taken steps to increase awareness of and the importance to be ecologically aware. Already this year, they've launched several watches. These green and black models of the Atelier S, simple and elegant watches that demonstrate the aesthetic design capabilities at Oris. Also this year, they've launched this Hank Aaron tribute watch within the Big Crown Pointer Date collection, a watch limited to 2,297 pieces, the record number of RBIs Hank Aaron achieved. Now, with this AquisPro 4000, Oris has demonstrated their ability to innovate, to design new and high-performing features, and to create exciting watches. Just consider all of the components they've incorporated into this watch. It may not be a watch for everyone, but I think it validates Oris as a great independent Swiss watch company. The other watch just launched is the Oris X BraceNet. Oris has partnered with BraceNet, who is upcycling discarded plastic fishing nets floating in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Based on the Aquis date models, these watches transform these ghost fishing nets into beautiful green variegated dials, each one unique. On its own, the reuse of this material is not expected to significantly reduce the waste in our oceans. The intent, as with other Oris programs of this type, is to raise awareness on the need and possibilities for being ecologically conscious while producing unique and attractive watches. If you are a watch enthusiast, you are probably already a fan of Oris, and you probably like their lineup. A large majority of collectors do. If you are not familiar with Oris or not yet a fan, hopefully I've shown you through this review and my previous videos that Oris has a lot to offer and a brand worthy of your consideration. You should also take a look at other Swiss watch brands and the reviews in this video playlist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.